Figure of speech. Irony. Irony is a figure of speech which there is a discrepancy between expectation and reality. It shows contrast between appearance and truth, or intention and outcome, creating a humorous, tragic, or thought-provoking effect. For example, a fire station burned down. The English teacher made a spelling mistake. The marriage counselor filed for divorce. A dentist has yellow teeth. A tailor wears torn clothes. A lifeguard drowned, etc. ଉପହାସ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ହାତରେ ଭିକ୍ଷା ଥାଳି ଅନ୍ଧ ଦେଶ ଗଲି ଦର୍ପଣ ବିକି ଶୈତାନର ବେଦପାଠ ମୁକଂ କରତି ବାଚାଳ ପଙ୍ଗୁ ଲଙ୍ଘୟତେ ଗିରିମ୍ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି। Thank you. Happy learning.